Hello, sir. Looking for something good to eat?
Hi, I'm trying to find a place to get some local food. Some things look delicious, but I don't know where to start.
Have a seat, sir.
Thank you.
You're in the right place. What kind of food are you craving, sir? Spicy, seafood, or something traditional?
So, I'm open to anything, something authentic, maybe a bit adventurous.
You got to try pork dinuguan. It is a local food. You can find it Indian here over there.
Oh wow, sounds great. Thank you for the tip.
No problem, sir. If you have anything else, just ask me around. We're happy to help you.
Oh, okay, thank you.